Hello everyone, my name is Ray, and today I'm going to be performing a song called Hear No Evil, See No Evil, Speak No Evil. I hope you enjoy it. If I hear the things I listen to, it only seems to bring me down. Tell me, do you think that maybe you can bring me back around? If I see the things I look into, I often stop and cry. Most people pass and never stop or think to ask just why. If I speak the way the others do, no need to be afraid. Let's just get outside, enjoy the day, making music and getting paid. Take the time you need to hurry up. Take the time you need for growing up. Take the time you need to get back up. Take the time you need. I don't hear the way the others do, not blinded by a choice. It's the ones who are unspoken for, who often have no voice. I don't see the way the others do, the colors don't intrude. There's no black or white or even gray to judge. It's just a mood. I don't speak the way the others do. I never think I will. Please hear me now for all it's worth. You didn't need another pill. Take the time you need to hurry up. Take the time you need for growing up. Take the time you need. Just please get back up. Take the time you need. And the time has come to understand the things that we've heard. All these rules and laws, no right or wrong. My God, how absurd. And the time has come to recognize the things that we've seen. And the tears we cry will pave the way to washing us all clean. And the time has come to realize the things that we've said will carry on and multiply even after we're all dead. Thank you so much for listening. Again, this song was called Hear No Evil, See No Evil, Speak No Evil. And I hope it resonates with you. I hope you're having a great day or evening, wherever you're at. And I wish you the ultimate in blessings, and I'm grateful for you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for subscribing. And thank you for sharing if you found this at all entertaining. Have a great day or evening, again, wherever you're at. Peace.